Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a short tutorial of the fruit trees in my garden and some of the other plants that I'm growing. As you can see, it's in the middle of February, nice sunny day, but you can see that the plants haven't got any leaves on there. There's no flowers on there at all. Look at this plant here. This is a lavender plant, and within a month or so you should be seeing some leaves and some flowers growing on there, and it will turn purple. At the moment there's nothing on there. In this corner here I have a lovely blackberry plant, and this is supposed to be a thornless one. Even though they say thornless, there are still thorns on there, so just be careful when you're handling these plants. I've grown it in a corner of my garden, so it's easier to maintain. If there are any branches that start growing out and away from the plant, I'll just trim it down. Last year we had lots of flowers and lots of fruits on this tree, so it's absolutely brilliant. Now over to this side here we have an apple tree. Now this apple tree is a special apple tree. The apples on there are absolutely delicious. They don't grow that large, however they taste beautiful. They taste a bit like the pink lady apple. They're pink and reddish on the outside and white in the inside. I don't think they're pink lady apples, but they do taste a bit like that. So I'm really fond of these apples. Hopefully within a few weeks, maybe a month, we should start seeing some flowers on this tree, and the fruits should be growing slowly. Now if you go closer to the tree, to the branches, you can see that these branches are growing now. That's the first sign of spring, and it's a good sign because you can see that on all the branches we are getting new shoots coming out. Hopefully these will bear new fruit. Okay, so that's the apple tree. Over here to this side, this is a pear tree. They're not very tall, these trees. They're about 3 meters tall. However, they do bear lots of fruits, and that's another technique that I'm going to do on another video, just to show you how to keep the fruit trees smaller, but at the same time making sure that they bear maximum fruit. So this is a pear tree, and as you can see here, yeah, the shoots are growing there, so nice sign of spring there, and they're growing all over the tree, which hopefully means that I will be getting a lot of fruit, a lot of pear from this tree. Now this tree bears pear fruits which are pinkish and reddish in color, with a bit of green and yellow on there. So they're not conference pears, but they are very tasty. You can eat them as a fruit or cook them as a dessert. Over to this side we have got a plum tree. These are Victoria plums. They're very, very tasty, very succulent, juicy, sweet plums. And again, as you can see, it's blooming. So it won't be long till we start seeing flowers and leaves on this tree, and then not long till we get the fruits. The fruit, we usually harvest the fruits off this tree in the middle of summer. Now over to this corner here, now this is one of my favorite trees. This is a fig tree. It's only a little tree, it's about 2 to 3 feet tall. However, last year we managed to eat about 15 to 20 figs, if you don't believe it or not, from this tree, and the figs are absolutely gorgeous. They are large in size. They're not dark in color on the outside. They are light green. However, the inside is succulent and juicy and sweet, and you can see the signs of new branches growing there, and these will bear the new fruits hopefully. So yeah guys, keep in touch and follow my videos, please. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you receive the new videos. I will be making new videos on these trees again, and once they start bearing fruits. So yeah, please hit the like and share button.